Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Okay, this recipe is a little bit more complicated than like just regular American buttercream, but I promise you, if you like to make cakes or cupcakes or anything like that, this is the best buttercream you'll ever eat. It's really soft, and it's surprisingly light considering how much butter it has in it. So what I'm doing first is I am separating my eggs. I've got 7 eggs and I'm separating the whites from the yolks. I'm using my hands because I want to make sure that I'm getting as much white as I possibly can and no yolks. You can't have any yolks get in this mixture. Then I'm adding some sugar, and this is just regular granulated sugar. I think it's 2 2/3 cup that I'm adding. And I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to mix it up before I stick it over the double boiler. I just use my whisk. I just want to whisk it really well so that there's no clumps. This is all pretty straightforward. You also want to add a little bit of vanilla. I cut that out on accident, but add a little bit of vanilla. Then you want to heat this over a double boiler. You want to mix it the whole time. Basically what we're doing is we're very slowly cooking the egg whites and also dissolving all the sugar, but you're going to cook this and mix it and warm it up super slowly until it reaches 175 degrees. This took about 10 minutes total. Like, it takes a little bit, but this is how you want to do this so that you don't get any like actually cooked solid, basically scrambled eggs. So there it is at 175. And then you want to put it in your stand mixer, or if you're using a hand mixer, you want to mix it on medium high. And you're just going to mix it until stiff peaks form. You also want to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. So this is about 5 minutes of mixing. This is what it looks like. The egg whites get really shiny, and this is a stiff peak. You can see that little bit there on the back of the spoon. It stood up completely straight. So now, this part is really tedious. You're going to add 6 sticks of butter, and you're going to add it at about half a tablespoon at a time. And you want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. And by the end, it'll start to look like this. Your mixture might break a little bit, but if you just keep going, it will come back together. And once you get everything mixed together, once all the butter is in, it's ready to use. And there it is. I just piped it on top of these cupcakes, and it's the best buttercream you'll ever have in your entire life. I promise. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.